Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing all the Filp-o-ramas in Dogman by Dave Pilkey or Dave Pilkey. Let's get started. Alright. This is the scene when Dogman captured Petey. Alright. For he's a jolly good doggy. Okay, this one takes place when Petey is trying to capture when Dogman is trying to capture Petey. He just goes to a nearby kiddie pool and then time to dry off, so I'm not going to spoil it. Oh wait, I already read this book. Super Soaker. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, so it's gonna be in here. So this next Filp-o-rama takes place when Petey is trying to find all of his books to bring back to his secret laboratory. Alright. The Swing Set Smacker. Here's the next one. The Seesaw Smusher. Here's the last one. Alright. Spring Break. Alright, here's another one. This is when Chief came back from lunch. Welcome back, Chief. Now this one is the actual last one. This is when Dogman and Petey are from the big explosion scene. They're both thrown away somewhere, and then Dogman lands and then squishes Chief's new couch, but he is not disappointed. Hip, hip, hooray! So that was all the Filp-o-ramas in Dogman. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!